Councillors in Clarendon want urgent attention to be placed on the deplorable state of the roads in the parish. The call comes following frequent flooding across the parish whenever it rains. They say the issue is also compounded by the lack of drain cleaning by the National Works Agency, NWA. O'Shane Masters has that story.
Bad roads and blocked drains. These are just some of the issues that face residents in Clarendon. It's why their local elected representatives are calling for greater focus to be given to the parish by the central government. They say for years they have been making their case for improvement in road conditions and proper drainage, but it seems to be falling on deaf ears. Hence, last week, the matter was again raised with Chairman of the Municipal Corporation, Winston Mirage.
When you look at Palmer's Cross Road, which is, they are still doing some upgrading from ever since. I don't know when that will finish. Yeah. But that area, Chairman, is in a deplorable state. When you go to Rocky Point, terrible. When you go Gale, well, as far as I couldn't go over the bridge, I don't want to cross the other bridge. But when you go along that corridor, Chairman, terrible.
Minority leader in the corporation, C.N. Barnswell, took aim at his opponent, saying the corporation is being overlooked due to the lack of representation by the chairman.
It's not about just sitting and holding the position of the chairman. It's about doing the work and knocking some desk. But them tired to see you. And you have to turn over some desk. Of course. You have to turn over some desk. Yeah. Not literally, but I mean put on pressure. But Chairman, after 4 years and we are still going over the same issue, it leads me to wonder if this government takes the Clarendon Municipal Corporation serious.
The councillor for the Milk River Division, Carlton Bailey, agrees. He claimed that the time has come for ministers to stop touring and provide the resources needed to address the problems.
Because 9.5 times out of 10, they come on a tour, they walk up and down, they profile, and I don't care whether it is PMP or JLP in court. Them just come, them profile and whatever, and then I'm gone and you hear nothing further. But when I go into my division and when I wake up and hear the cries, I don't even know who to turn to, because me, everybody I come to. Luckily, I have an MP now who is using his own personal resources and is getting some things done.
Chairman of the Clarendon Municipal Corporation, Winston Mirage, says following discussions with the minister responsible for works, a tour will be carried out shortly to again assess the damage in the parish.
We have outgrown the drains. Drains are too narrow. And in correcting these issues, you will have to understand that we will have to do some purchasing of property. We have to acquire property in order to widen these drains. If you look at them, some of these have buildings right on the side of the drains. So it's going to take some good money.
O'Shane Masters, TVJ News.